A customer brought their car in, reporting that the check engine light was on. To diagnose the issue, I connected a scan tool and retrieved the trouble code P0303, cylinder 3 misfire detected. This code indicates that cylinder 3 is not firing properly, which can result in reduced engine performance, rough idling, and potentially damage to other components if left unresolved. To investigate, I began by inspecting the air intake and fuel systems, as these are common culprits for misfire codes. I checked for any blockages, leaks, or other faults, but everything appeared to be in good condition. Next, I turned my attention to the ignition system, starting with ignition coil number 3. I connected a spark tester to ignition coil number 3, ran the engine, and observed that the coil did not produce a steady spark. This indicated an issue with the ignition coil itself or its control circuit. To gather more precise data, I connected a lab scope with an inductive ammeter to the ignition coil number 3 control circuit. The lab scope allows me to monitor the primary amperage waveform, which provides a detailed view of how the ignition coil is operating. When I ran the engine and monitored the ignition coil primary amperage waveform, it became clear that ignition coil number 3 was shorted internally. A shorted ignition coil can't properly generate the high-voltage spark needed for combustion in the cylinder. The ignition coil plays a critical role in the ignition system, converting the battery's low voltage into the high voltage necessary to create a spark in the spark plug. A malfunctioning ignition coil disrupts this process, leading to a misfire. To resolve the issue, I replaced ignition coil number 3 with a new one. After replacing the coil, I cleared the trouble codes using the scan tool and performed a road test to verify the repair. The engine ran smoothly, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. This repair was crucial for restoring proper engine performance and preventing further issues such as damage to the catalytic converter or excessive fuel consumption.